Good morning, everyone. Welcome to April 19th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures up 31, S&P futures are up 3, and NASDAQ futures are up 13. Asian shares were mixed while European shares were higher overnight. Futures were pointing to a lower open Wednesday as traders reacted negatively to IBM and Intel's earnings. The market opened weak and remained weak all day long. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes had lost ground. Today we'll get weekly jobless claims at 8:30 a.m., then existing home sales, Philadelphia Fed, and leading economic indicators at 10 a.m. We'll get earnings today from Bank of America, Capital One Financial, E-Trade, Microsoft, and Morgan Stanley. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day at 1386, the 50-day at 1378, and the 200-day at 1272. The S&P closed at 1385 with support at 1357 and resistance at 1397. The bulls were hoping to add on to Tuesday's gains, but the bears had other ideas. Accordingly, the S&P stalled, falling several points before closing again below its 20-day moving average. One important thing we've noticed is how the 20-day is converging on the 50-day in the S&P. This shows market weakness, and if the 20-day does cross below its 50-day, it could set up for additional selling. Can the bulls hold the line here? Perhaps, but caution is in order. Before you enter a trade, make sure you have a price target and stop loss in place. Then stay disciplined and take your profits if you hit your target, and be prepared to exit the position if the stop loss is hit. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.